Okay, so Mother's Day is around the corner, and if you want to stay on budget but also make something really personable and cute for your mama, then just keep on watching this video. In today's video, I want to show you some really affordable Dollar Tree, okay, gifts that you can make for Mother's Day. Also, are we calling it Dollar Tree or $1.25 tree, okay? Because let's be real, with inflation, all these products I'm about to show y'all wasn't just $1, but that's besides the point. So let's go ahead and dive right into this video. Okay, so here are the products that I bought from Dollar Tree. I got this really cute like metal flower hanging decor piece. I got this wooden heart. I thought this would be really cute as well. You can put vinyl on both sides if you want. Listen, I know we all like a little drinking drink, especially moms who've had a long hard day, okay? So I got this wine glass, stemless wine glass. And then I wanted to really try these. It's kind of weird because I'm looking at myself, but I got these mirrors and I was thinking about putting vinyl like pretty much on the mirror. Not too much, not to really overpower the actual mirror, but just to add like a little something. So I got a black one and I got a white one. I also have all of the designs already in my Silhouette studio because I wanted to just be prepared for this video today. So I have this first one here. What I'm thinking, this first one here, the world's greatest mom. I actually made this in Canva and I just imported it into my Silhouette Cameo because I wanted that kind of like that wavy effect, you know? So I got that one. That one is going to go on this mirror. So I was thinking about putting this first design, okay, on the mirror, okay. Now this next one here, you guys see it's like a knockout design. So just simply meaning if you're new to Silhouette Studio, if you're new to like designing, the knockout feature is just basically where you have one layer of like a graphic or text and then you knock it out with the second layer that's on top. So this says Layla's mom. I'm going to cut out both of these separately, two different pieces of vinyl, and then what I was thinking, I was going to put that on this wooden heart here. Something really, really cute. You can hang it up super easy and again super personable. And then for Plant Lady, I was going to make two of those and then just put it on this metal hanging plant here, probably on both sides. I kind of like things on both sides. I feel like when you only put it on one, it just doesn't do it right for me. So I'll most likely cut this out twice and then put it on the metal hanging plant. And then for the They Wine, I Wine, for obvious reasons, you know it's gonna go on the wine glass, okay? So let me go ahead and cut all the vinyl and load it into my Cameo and we gonna get this started. Okay, so here's the vinyl. I get all of my vinyl from Heat Transfer Warehouse if you guys didn't know that. So I have this really cute pink leopard vinyl. This is permanent vinyl, so no heat press will be involved. And then I have this, like, what would you call this? Like, it's not a lime green, but it's a bright green. And then I was thinking about putting this for the metal hanging plant, like decor for Plant Lady. Okay, using that. And then honestly, I already have some white vinyl that I was using earlier. So I'm gonna use this for, I think the offset of this. I think that would look really cute. Like have the mom and then have like the Layla text on top. That's what I was thinking for that. Now for this mirror, I was thinking we going bright and bold and use some yellow. So using some of that just to kind of make it stand out. And also it's Mother's Day. I feel like with Mother's Day, you use like brighter colors, pastels, you know, it's not like a neutral tone unless if that's what your mom really likes. But I feel like for Mother's Day, it's bright, it's airy, it's colorful, you know, it's not dull, right? So doing yellow for this mirror design. So let's see how this is gonna turn out. Okay, so I'm just pretty much, I always like to eyeball it. I cut a little bit extra just because I'd rather cut more than I have enough, you know. So this is going to be for that wavy text that goes on the mirror. Cut that a little bit. I actually think that that is going to be perfect. And then I just kind of eyeball it too. I can eyeball it too, like with the mirror. You see that? This is the plan. So pretty much have that in the middle. So that way, you know, you can still see yourself through the mirror. So that's going to be for the first one. So I actually already cut out the They Wine, I Wine, if y'all can see here. Yeah, you can see it much better now. So I actually already cut this out, as you can see. So this one, all I have to do is just apply it. So I'm going to take this off my cutting mat in my Silhouette Studio so that way it won't cut it again. But yeah, so this one's already done. Now for the offset, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this pink pattern, this pink leopard pattern vinyl. Really love that. So about this much, and then having the white on top. Listen, You're gonna see how it all plays out here in just a second, okay? Just stick with me, y'all. Follow me with the vision. And here's that green for Plant Lady. I really don't measure. As y'all can see, I'm a huge eyeballer when it comes to vinyl. Partially because, one, I've been working with it for a little bit now, and I trust myself. Now, that doesn't mean I always get it right, but 9 times out of 10, I don't miss, you know, when it comes to cutting enough. Now, this is for the Plant Lady, but you know what? I said I was gonna do 2, so I need another size of this vinyl. So let me do that. All right, so I got 2 pieces for Plant Lady. One is a little bit bigger than the other, but it's all good. It's gonna come out looking just the same, especially when I weed it and just trim it down. So the next piece I need is for the top of the offset, which is that white vinyl. So let me go ahead and cut that piece out. All right, so boom, so I have all the pieces of vinyl put on my cutting mat that matches the layout of the actual design in my Silhouette studio as well, okay? Now, all I have to do is load that, but one thing I do, and one thing I suggest you guys do as well, if you're new to vinyl, while your actual vinyl is cutting, like your permanent vinyl, go ahead and get your pieces cut out for your transfer tape. That way, by the time your actual, you know, your cut is done, you already got your transfer tape and your workflow is just so much smoother. So I recommend that. So I'm gonna load this in now. Okay, I fixed that. I don't know if y'all saw it, but it was like a bubble in it, and I am not about that raggedy looking vinyl. So had to fix that just to cut a new piece. Everything is all smooth like I like it. So let me go ahead and load this in now. Okay, here's what I got so far. I still have to weed out the Plant Lady, but they're right here. My camera focuses. Okay, here they are, the 2 Plant Ladies. I'm really curious on how this is gonna look on this mirror, so I'm gonna do this one first, and it just says the world's greatest mom, and then just put that right in the middle. I think it's gonna be super cute, so let's see. And then here's the offset one, Layla's mom. Now this is white, so it's really faint, but hopefully y'all can still see it. And so it's just gonna be on top of that mom offset design. I have the mirror right here. Then I have my transfer paper, right? So just gonna peel this off, and this is the Siser brand. I'll link it below. I don't have on nails. As y'all can see, my nails look ridiculous right now. Shame, the shame. All right, so you take your vinyl, you take your transfer tape, okay? And then you just get it to where it covers all of the design, okay? Like that. And then I have my squeegee. You can also use a credit card if you don't have a squeegee, so don't feel bad if you don't have one. And just give it a little love push. Give it some love, or a love swipe. Ooh, and it comes off. This is what it's supposed to look like. You want it to come off on the transfer tape, right? Like that, right? Isn't it so cute? Now it's time to apply it to the actual product. Now this is going to be interesting because this isn't like, this isn't the best cut. I could have done it better, right? So it's kind of crooked, it's all lopsided, but nonetheless, let's try to make it as symmetrical as we can. Okay, so the world's greatest mom. I'm gonna center the mirror. And so now I think putting it like right here. Okay, cool. All right, perfect. And I'm gonna just, as y'all can see, I'm just using my fingers as a guide, right? And so hold up, do that, and then let's see. Ooh, boom. You guys see that? The world's greatest mom. Oh, that turned out so cool, right? Because you can still see yourself, and then it just gives your mom a nice affirmation, a nice reminder. Okay, yeah, love that. This was $1.25, this mirror. Okay, so when I tell y'all, again, affordable, stay in your budget, and also if you get a few of them, you could do a lot of affirmations and just put them together. So I'm glad that one turned out the way that it did. I love that. All right, so that's one. Now let's move on to the next one. I'm really excited about this one because I love the offset pattern. So now let's use this one. I only printed out one design, so I'm going to put it on just one side and not the other, but later on, hey, I might do both. But this is just examples and ideas if you guys are wondering what to do for your mom on Mother's Day since it's coming up. So I cut out, like, this is the size I cut out for this offset design. Okay, then boom, apply it like that. Okay, now this is a really big piece, but it's okay. Again, I said I'd rather have a big piece than not so big of a piece, and I gotta cut out some more. Okay, cut that, and then we're gonna use squeegee or a credit card. Like I said, if you don't have a squeegee, you can use a credit card. Some lip swipes right here. Hopefully my camera doesn't fall over again. All right, let's center that. Okay. Wow, yeah, look at that. Really, really cute. And then, right, because we're not done, now I can just center this and apply it on top. And it's gonna make a really, really cute offset design. Okay. Wow. Oh, that's super cute. I like that one too. What do y'all think? This is really nice. Now you can make it bigger. You can add something around it. But again, I just wanted to give you guys some inspo, okay? Because listen, inflation is real and we on a budget. But if you want to gift your mom, your auntie, your grandma, you know, anyone you know who's a mother and you give them a personal gift, I promise y'all it goes such a long way. So here's what the wine glass looks like with the design. They wine, I wine. I think it turned out really great. This is super easy when it comes to like applying it, y'all, so you don't have to do so much, right? You can make it really simple, really easy for yourself. So I like how this turned out and I thought it was super funny. So here's the other one, this metal like hanging plant lady, okay? And if you wanted to, honestly, if you find this at your Dollar Tree, you can even put something up here too, right? You can make it so customizable and all it costs you is a few dollars. If you already have the vinyl, you know, and if you don't, you can buy that too, but really, really inexpensive when it comes to just, you know, being thoughtful for Mother's Day. All right, good people. So yeah, I just made some really cute, super interesting, personable Mother's Day gifts with products from the Dollar Tree or the $1.25 tree, whatever you want to call it, okay? Now, you guys might see this picture here as a thumbnail because I feel like for the thumbnail, I'm gonna like just position these products on this backdrop here. I mentioned this in a couple videos when it comes to like your Etsy listings and product photos, all that good stuff. But yeah, y'all, let me know down below which one you think, you know, hits. What you think could have been added to anything. I want to hear your thoughts. These are all ideas that you can make and then some, right, when it comes to Mother's Day or just a thinking of you gift. It doesn't matter. You put your own twist on it and I'm sure your mom or whomever you are giving it to is gonna love it. Okay, so now that I've shown you some ideas that you can make yourself when it comes to gifting your mom or a special lady in your life something for Mother's Day from Dollar Tree, okay? Let me know in the comments what you guys think of these ideas. Now, Dollar Tree does have new products every week, so by the time you guys see this video, they're gonna have something new. However, that doesn't mean that you can't design something for your mom and give her something very personable, all while staying on the budget, okay? But that's it for today's video, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. As always, subscribe if you're liking the vibe, and I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Bye, y'all.